So what?
Hello everyone, Baltador06 here, and today I'm stuck in my coach's car, and
The cure.
the Kier, and I'm with my brother and a couple of my friends from football.
Hey.
Grayson. And you. Frick. Yeah, and...
Oh shoot, my water bottle.
Bruh. Bruh. You better go run after it. You better go run after it.
Run, Forrest, run!
Why do I have better sight on my phone than my glasses?
I don't know.
Because
Actually,
you're blind, Isaiah.
no.
I tried your glasses on. You're so blind. Isaiah, let me look in the
here it
mirror
is.
with the glasses on. Let me look in
Okay.
the mirror. I was
Yeah.
out there for like 10 seconds and
I
I'm
don't
look like Isaiah.
Wait, let me see. Put them on.
Well, yeah, do you not see the amount
Just
of
look
rain?
at it.
Does he look like me when I have my glasses on?
Hurry up before I turn blind.
Hey, Grayson, does he look like me when I have my glasses on him?
Your coach said I look like a mini you. But you look like mom.
Isaac, I look like you when my glasses are off.
But you look like mom.
Okay, guys,
Yeah,
please.
you do kind of look like him with your glasses.
Okay,
I look like my
I'm
dad.
going to show you me and my brother's face without the glasses. With my glasses,
Yeah.
alright? Okay, who looks
Probably
who looks
can't even
different?
see us.
Can we? Can they?
What?
Can they see us?
Yeah.
Okay, do we look the same or different?
Different.
Comment,
I have
please.
longer hair.
Please comment. Alright,
No one's gonna comment because you only have 2 subscribers.
I got one person.
And it wasn't even raining.
Yeah, I know. That's what I hate about it. Starts practice and starts raining. Weird combination.
Isaiah, look I have longer hair than you. Yep.
Wait a minute. Let me just grab a clump.
Grayson, who has longer hair, me or Isaiah?
You.
Yeah. Thank you.
Alright.
I
Shit!
fucking like to say.
Excuse me, profanity. Or should I say my French?
If this gets struck by lightning, we won't get hit.
Well, technically we won't. Technically we won't be. Technically we won't be electrocuted because the inside is rubber-ish.
Not really, this metal.
Oh man, he's soaked. After that.
Oi. Yeah,
Nah.
raining hard.
It's pouring out there.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna flood.
Nah, it's not gonna flood.
It might. Yeah, it depends how. Well, it's not gonna be big because of
It
the
might be like a
drain. The drainer.
Oh, come
No, if the
on.
drainers get clogged up,
Rain,
then
rain.
you have.
I barely have any space. I barely have any space on my phone.
You have like 1 minute left. You're getting like the window shield and it's all blurred out.
Yeah, I know.
You know.